Crafting with Ty and Friends. Today we are going to be making snow globes. So I have my snow globe that came from the Dollar Tree. $1. It also comes with some instructions, but I'm not going to be following these instructions. So I have some figurines I stole from my daughter. She's no longer into La La Lucy, so I'm going to be using these. I have some glitter. I have a teaspoon measurement. I have my glue gun, some water, and I have some vegetable glycerin. Now, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open your snow globe. It comes with the top, and it comes with this insert piece where you place your figurines on. My glue gun is currently heating up. I am going to remove this. If your sticker doesn't remove good, just use some alcohol, wipe it down. It'll get rid of the residue. You can also decorate the outside of your top. You can add vinyl or whatever to the outside of your snow globe. Let's see if my gun is hot. All right. So we're going to be placing our little figurines like this. The big sister and the little sister. So I'm going to just put some glue on the bottom of her. So apparently I didn't place the glue on the right spots where she will be touching. So let's try it again. You can buy little figurines from Walmart, of course, Walmart. But Dollar Store, the Dollar Store have like Paw Patrol, Ninja Turtles, a few other things. You can place whatever you like inside of here. You can put a picture. Of course, coat the photo. I will actually coat it in triple thick or Mod Podge. I'm actually going to make one with a photo of my mom and the kids. But these are my pieces in. Okay, so once you got your figurines on there and they're dry, you want to have your bowl and you want to have your water. I put my bowl on the cup so I don't have to hold it. And you're going to pour and just fill maybe this much. I leave a little room so when I put my figurines in there, it's going to, make the water rise. And then you also want a little room for when you shake your snow globe, everything can move around. Now I'm going to add glitter. I'm not going to add any of the fine glitter. I think the snow globes work best with chunky glitter. So I'm going to add a few things of chunky glitter. I only had silver and blue here, so that's what I'm going to work with. If I had pink, I would actually add a little bit of pink. And then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of vegetable glycerin. And again, I'm adding vegetable glycerin. So when I'm shaking my globe, my glitter actually floats a little bit. It doesn't just sit, or it doesn't sink to the bottom super quick. This actually lets your glitter move around. I'm going to take my little stick and just give it a little. And now I'm going to take my figurines and I'm going to insert them into my globe. Now, if I was selling this, I would actually seal this with some glue. I wouldn't use hot glue. I would either use E6000 or something else. E6000 super glue. But go ahead and put your figurines in and make sure that it's in there. Take your top. I would do the same thing with the top. If I was to sell this, I would make sure it's glued. That way your customer can't unscrew it and have all this glitter and water and baby oil or glycerin or whatever you use to create these everywhere. So go ahead and give your globe a shake. And you can see my glitter. Should have added a couple more blue in there. But overall, I like.
I said, don't stop, don't stop, don't stop talking to me. Stop, don't